Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my fourth video of HTML5 video series. Okay, in our last tutorial we discussed about body tag, age tags and the p tag. Today we are going to discuss about the beer tag, the anchor tag and the image tag. So let's begin. So let's start with a paragraph first. Here is a paragraph for you guys that I own a big fat cat. Whenever there is lots of food, that's where he will be found. Alright. So if we save this and check it in our browser, index.html. So you can see here the paragraph shows in a single line here. So what if I want to break this paragraph into 3 lines? What I have to do? So that's where the beer tag comes into play. The beer tag is such a tag. So far we know that every tag must be closed, but beer tag is such a tag that doesn't need a closing tag. Okay, so let's see how the beer tag is written. So say we want to add a beer tag here. We write a less than sign, then BR, then a greater than sign. Okay, so we save it and see it in our browser. Now you can see that after cat here the line goes to the next line. Now if we want to add another break here, we do the same stuff here. Just copy it and paste it. Now save. Then check it in our browser. Okay. So now after food we get a break again, and from here it starts from a new line. So that's how the beer tag works. Alright. Okay, the next tag that we will discuss is the image tag. The image tag is also a tag that where no closing tag is used. So how to write an image tag? To write an image tag, we write first a less than sign, then img. Okay, then we give a space, then we write src. Okay, so src equal to source, then we give a space equal to, then we write double quote, then we write the name of the image and the extension used, then we close the double quote, then we give a space. Now here we have to give an attribute to this image tag, which is width equal to, within double quote we write the width of the image, which is 304, then close the double quote, then give a space, then write height equal to, within double quote we write 228. Alright, then close it. Then we finally close the image tag. So let's save it and then check it in our browser. Alright, so here you can see the image appears here. So that's how the image tag works. Okay, here in the image tag, the src, the width and height are the attributes of the image tag. Okay, so every tag in HTML have attributes. We will discuss that in our next video, but right now just remember that these are the attributes of the image tag. The next tag that you will discuss is the anchor tag, or the tag that is used to add links to your web page. Alright, so how to write an anchor tag? To write an anchor tag, we write a less than sign, then a, then href, then we give a space equal to, then within double quotes we write the page that we want to visit. Okay, in this case it is Google. Then we close the double quotes, then we give a space, then we give a greater than sign. Now we have to add the text which we will click. Then we close the anchor tag here. Now let's save it and check it in our browser. Alright, so here you can see that the link is appearing here. So if you click it, it will go to google.com. Alright, I added an extra W here, so that's why it is not working. So save it, and now if you click it, it will take you to google.com. Alright, so if you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Alright, so today we discussed about the beer tag, which is used to add breaks to a line. We discussed about the image tag, which is used to add images to your web page, and we discussed about the anchor tag, which is used to add links to our web page. So that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching. In our next tutorial we'll be discussing about the attributes of different HTML elements. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.